gonna do like this. I'm gonna flip my hands and then watch them, okay?
Can we turn the TV down, please? Okay, go ahead, I'm listening. Where are you going? I can't see you over there. You have to come over this way. Let the cat out, please. I'm ready. Are you going to sing a song or what? Stay right where you are. Please don't move around.
Why?
Because I can't tape you if you keep moving. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes. This is going to be a red song. Yes,
Are you ready? Let's go.
About the power. Wait, so I'm gonna do the tick, okay? I'm gonna do the tick. Turn down the pace so bad. Okay? About the power. About the power. Razors. That's what they sound right. That's right. Sword. I know. But I have to be sword. Okay?
Okay.
I look bad or good?
You look great, honey. You got to back up. I can't see you.
That's the end of it.
I thought you were going to sing me a song.
That's the song, the power in the song.
Don't you know, like, a SpongeBob song?
Yeah, but I don't want to sing a SpongeBob song.
Okay, can you go over there and by the door and tell me your name and everything?
Somebody? Yeah. Oh, tap.
Kitty cat, come on, kitty cat.
Okay.
Tell me your name, Issa.
Derek.
Derek what?
Derek Taven. So.
Please stop moving around, Derek. I'm trying to tape this. Tell me your name, sweetheart.
Derek Taven.
Derek Caden what?
Derek Taven. Poppy.
What's your daddy's name?
Red then Eric.
Red then Eric?
Yeah.
It's Frederick Arthur Hartley III.
I tend to tell right.
That's all right. You can call him Eric. What's my name?
Lori Bennett.
Very good, Lori Bennett. You got that right. Very good. You know my name, but you don't know Daddy's.
I get to know your name.
That's funny. That's funny. You know my name, but not Daddy's. That's funny, Derek.
I know.
I love you.
I always forget about somebody's name. Hey, it's upside down. Look.
Mhm. Yep. Okay, are we done?
Hello. Not yet. I want to make a video for all my friends.
Okay, can we do that later?
I'm gonna make it this